Hello, guys, welcome back. So, we're going to be talking about how to find delivery agents, reliable delivery agents in any locations of your choice. So, how do you handle orders when you get orders in Port Harcourt, you get orders in Benin, you get orders in Kano, all of these places? And obviously, you cannot be in all of these places. Even if you are in all of these places, you can't handle all the orders in a day. So, if you get orders in all of these places, who handles them? They are called delivery agents. So these delivery agents are logistic companies in all these locations, dispatch riders or dispatch companies. So there are dispatch companies in Port Harcourt, there are so many dispatch companies in Uyo, there are so many dispatch companies in Kaduna, in Enugu, in Asaba, in Warri, in Bin, all the whole places. So what you do is just to work with each of these dispatch companies, and their primary job is delivery, to deliver your products. So how does it really work? This is how it works. If you have 100 pieces of your product, whatever product you're selling, all you need to do is just to contact a delivery company in Abuja, for example, contact a delivery company in Lagos, contact a delivery company in Port Harcourt, contact a delivery company in all the locations you want to deliver in. Then send some pieces of your products to them. For example, you can decide to send 10 pieces to the logistic company in Abuja. You can send them to the logistic company in Lagos. You can send them to the logistic company in Port Harcourt. You can send them to the logistic company in Benin. So you just distribute your products, and these people, they have what they call warehousing services. It's part of the service they offer to e-commerce vendors. So they can help you keep those pieces of items you've given them, even when you haven't gotten an order. They'll just help you store it in their office so that it can make your delivery fast and easy. Now, if you get an order in Port Harcourt, you don't have to start sending from Abuja where you live to Port Harcourt. If you get an order on Uyo, you don't have to start sending to Uyo from where you live. You already have it with those logistic companies in those locations. So each time your order comes in, they just pick it up from their office and deliver to your customer very fast and very swift. So all you have to do is just to find reliable delivery companies. You are not using dispatch riders. You have to work with companies. I'm still going to show you where to find them and how to work with them. Okay. Now you find them, you give them this your products. They are reliable, they are trustworthy. So you make sure you have an agreement with them. They keep this product. That is actually how I do mine. That is the best method to enable you offer nationwide free delivery, nationwide same day delivery. So sometimes you wonder, how is it done that someone in Oka places and other, someone in Abakaliki places and other, someone in Kano places and other, someone in Port Harcourt places and other, someone in Abuja, someone in Lagos, and they all receive their orders the same day. That's so that's amazing. So they all receive their order the same day. How is it achieved? It is because you've sent your products in those locations already. You've sent your products in those locations. So if an order comes from Port Harcourt, you just send that order to the Port Harcourt logistic company, and they will pick it up from their office and then send it to the customer's location. Then the customer receives it, confirms it, transfers money to them, then they remit money to you at the end of the day. The same thing in Abuja. If an order comes in Abuja, someone in Abuja orders your product, you simply send that order to the Abuja logistic company. So you can just simply sit in your house and be controlling all of these things. You can be doing whatever you're doing. You can sit in your office or anywhere and control these things. So this is an automated system. So you're running your ads on Facebook, and your website is spilling out orders for you. Then you're just sending those orders to those different logistic companies, and they handle these orders, deliver it to the various customers, collect your money, and then remit the money to you at the end of the day. This is amazing, guys. This helps you never to miss out on any order, no matter the location. There's always a delivery agent in every location you can think of. and I'm going to be showing you how to find them and how to work with them. So now the question is, how do you, I think I've answered some of these questions. How do you offer delivery so how do you offer delivery nationwide? The customers will receive it the same day and the delivery is free. How is it achieved? So I'm going to be showing you how this is done. I am also going to be giving you the contact of delivery agents in every locations of your choice. I have a compiled list of these guys that I've been working with over the years. They are reliable and they are very trustworthy. Just check the material section of this course. You're going to find a list of logistic companies, reliable logistic companies in every location, every state of Nigeria that you can think of. We have number of logistic companies we work with. So I'm going to be adding it for you so that you can easily work with them. However, I am also going to be showing you how to find more, how I got them, where to get them, and how to work with them. Come with me, let me show you.